This is my latest model, the Super Star Destroyer. It's Darth Vader's commando ship from Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back. The thing I was trying to accomplish with this model was trying to get as close as possible to the reference, both with the angles, but also with the whole profile of the model from the side. The biggest challenge in designing this model is the sheer size, and when you're developing on a model, and you change something up here, you actually have to go back all the way to make it fit within the Lego system. This model is the longest Star Wars model with a length on 124.4 centimeters, and it consists of 3,152 elements. I think Star Wars fans will love this model because it's the first time ever that the Super Star Destroyer has been made as an official Lego model. The thing that makes this model authentic to the movie is the shape, of course, but also these details on the top. It is like a small city with streets and alleys, and that's very specific for this model. Also, we have this commando bridge that more or less has been the indicator for the scale, and I've tried to see if I could have some comparability with a normal Star Destroyer. A cool feature on this model are this small part you can take off, and inside there's a mini version of the commando bridge where you can display Darth Vader and the other minifigures on the model. If there's anything that's unique about this model, it's the size. When I was given this challenge, the first thought was, oh, this is going to be a tough one. But afterwards, I tried to look into how to plan the model and divide it into parts. And that was the thing I did before starting to build anything at all. And I'm really proud about the end result.